Yeah, he's over there at the vehicle
He's
still.
over there still. Yep.
He's gonna die if he stays there.
Dude, go light him up if he's in the vehicle. You got an M249.
I'm not gonna get out of this until he gets. Yep. He's gonna get lit up by somebody else. There's two of them.
Play zone's moving.
Do they not know you're in there?
I mean, no.
I did not see you right in there. Straight down. Great.
I love that gun.
Nice.
Of course, I have to
He
move.
shoots so straight. Oh my god.
This is another one of those freaking quarry games. I love these games,
Oh,
but
yeah.
it sucks to be outside the quarry. I don't have any. I have 3 energy drinks left actually, so I'm just gonna boost up,
Yep.
run
boost
to
up
that
and then
guy.
I believe in you. Give me that chicken dinner.
I see the dude on top of the hill.
Oh, you can snipe him with that gun, baby.
You can. It's pretty good sniping.
Really?
Oh yeah.
I'm serious. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good.
Do I want to take the car? Yeah, I do.
45.
Yep. Anything else?
Man, this loot must be good.
He had a car.
Worth.
Plus, I wanted to give it a few seconds so he wouldn't be looking back this way.
Your,
Yeah,
is that
many
a guy on the
times.
hill? No, no.
You just need to make sure you can actually get up this hill, so you don't die outside the play zone.
That would be
I
a
know.
very sad death. Nice.
Oh man. Oh my
I'm not gonna be
god.
able to get up this hill.
Oh, you should be able to right there. Perfect.
Made it to the top 10. Oh,
No!
Just go up that way.
Just
You
go
got
down.
time,
Yeah,
just
that's
go.
what I thought.
You might take a tiny bit of damage, but I think you can make it.
Do it!
True stealth. Love it.
I killed 3 of them. That
was
team thought they were
love
gonna
that.
win. They're not getting that chicken dinner.
Oh, here.